Hey everybody, we're doing a great thing today. We're testing the Maverick XT, the Darton Maverick XT, with legendary bow hunter and archer DP Bierman. So far, we've been shooting this bow a little bit. I've also been shooting it. Very impressive, and very excited. We're gonna do some basic tests. Just check the speed, make sure the draw length's on AMO, and the poundage, and DP will give you some of his professional opinions on what the bow feels like, what it's aiming like, what it's shooting like, all those nice details.
Yeah, thanks, Jan. This is new for me as well, real new. And I have to say, to start off with, bow is very stable. It's got a nice wide limb pocket system on it. It's got a very rigid riser. It aims well. It aims real good. Actually, I was surprised how well it aims and how still it holds on the target. It shoots very accurate. We shot a couple of groups that we can cut it in for you guys as we speak, on 40, 50, 60 yards just to test it. But so far so good. General technologies in the bow. It's got a good string stop to it. It's got a real easy adjustable rotating module to 7.5 inch draw increments. It's got a very solid cable stop for the draw length. And other than that, obviously not completely parallel limb. It won't be the softest feel in hand, but I'm surprised. Yeah, for the price you pay for this bow, it's unbelievable.
Yeah, that's like one of the key things about today's modern world with economic pressures, is that not everybody's got more than 20,000 Rand to spend on a bow. This bow comes in at a price point quite a bit lower than that, and it's delivering the goods.
You can probably use it for most 3D competitions, even a bit of target archery and most of the hunting as well. And the energy we get out of it at this moment looks like you can even go bigger than general hunting. You can go buffalo and giraffe if you want.
Wow.
So yeah, thanks, Jan.
Cool. Let's do some shooting.
All right. Happiness? Make the 0. Okay, exactly there. 28 and
just 28 and a quarter.
28 maybe. Not quite. No.
So it'll be exactly 30 inches of draw.
Yeah. 30 inches of draw.
Yeah, that's between 16.
Alright, here we go. So this is a velocity test on a Maverick XT, Darton Maverick XT. We want to take it out to the bush and give it a real test, but first just want to see what it's up to. We've got a Black Eagle Deep Impact 350 spine arrow with 100 grain field point, so total weight 440 grains. Bow set on 30 inches, which is my draw length, and then 70 pounds exactly on the money. So let's see what it does. Alright, so just a quick summary. We're done with the velocity test and performance. It's a 345 IBO rated bow, and we did exactly 30 inches of draw, 70 pounds exactly, and the arrow weight was 430 grains, as we said earlier, and we got exactly 90 foot-pound. It's 304 point something, so let's call it 304 feet per second. That includes the loop, the peep and the loop as well. So very happy. I mean, 90 foot-pounds for the draw force curve, for the draw curve, it's pretty smooth. I mean, I'm not used to shooting 70 pounds for the last year almost, and I have to say the amount of effort you have to put in for that 90 foot-pounds, it's very reasonable, very reasonable. So I'm happy. I'm happy to take it, and I'm really excited to take it to the bush and do a good test on a real hunt and see what happens. So we'll keep you updated.
So day 2 of shooting the Maverick XT, and just want to touch on the specs and the adjustability of the bow. So yesterday we did a complete kinetic energy test and figured that this bow is generating 90 foot-pounds of kinetic energy on a true 30 inches of draw, measured on an AMO measurement, and that's really efficient. What is really nice as well is that this bow will adjust from 30.5 inches of draw to 25, which is a nice draw length for somebody that's not shooting a longer draw bow, and usually you do lose a lot of efficiency on that. We'll do another test at 25 on 70 pounds to calculate what the efficiency of the cam is like through it. But so far, very impressed. So it's a 33-inch axle-to-axle bow, which is a very nice balance for somebody wanting to shoot a little bit further distances, or would like a little bit more of a stable platform. It just seems like a little bit longer bow has a lot less movement than, say, a 27 or 28-inch axle-to-axle bow. Not that those aren't accurate, but they do have a little bit more movement. So a lot of people that especially also start, that would want to pay this price point bow, would have a very stable platform. And you also have the 1/4-inch axles with 5/8 bearings, and a very clever system that splits the yoke basically and runs it on both sides of the bearings. So Darton is very focused on spreading the weight onto the axle. On the top of the range bows, you have a split yoke bus cable system running around a pulley, which would create the same effect as what a block and tackle would to hoist something heavy, and also split the pressures even more on the axles. But so far, in summary, quick, great shooting bow, very efficient, very fast, and very accurate, which is a very good thing for us at Darton to feel, and at Pinpoint Archery to go forward, and very excited about this bow to see what we're gonna get out of this. And very soon we'll have some more footage and data to share with you. But just wanted to run through the specs, and obviously you can go to the internet to see the specs of the bow exactly. All right, thank you for watching.